everyone! Welcome back to Linguachat, your place to learn real English that native speakers use every day. Today I'm sharing 10 phrases that will help you sound natural in small talk or daily conversations. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 1, how's it going? This is a casual way to ask, how are you? Use it with friends, coworkers, or people you know well. For example, hey Sam, how's it going? And you can answer, good, thanks. Number 2, what's up? This is another informal greeting. It's like saying, what's new, or how are you? For example, hi Alex, what's up? You might answer, not much, just relaxing. Number 3, long time no see. Say this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. Hey, long time no see, how have you been? Number 4, can't complain. This is a polite way to say everything is okay, not perfect, but fine. If someone asks, how's work? You can reply, can't complain. Number 5, I'm hanging in there. This means you're managing, even if things are a bit tough. For example, how are you? I'm hanging in there. It's been a busy week. Number 6, it's been a while. Use this when it's been some time since you last spoke or met. For example, hey, it's been a while. Let's catch up soon. Number 7, how have you been? Ask this to find out about someone's life since you last saw them. Hi Mia, how have you been? Number 8, that sounds great. Use this to show enthusiasm or agreement. Let's meet for coffee tomorrow. That sounds great. Number 9, I'm not sure to be honest. Say this when you don't know the answer and want to be polite and honest. Do you know where the meeting is? I'm not sure to be honest. And number 10, fingers crossed. Say this when you're hoping for good luck. I have my driving test tomorrow. Fingers crossed. These phrases are super common in English small talk. Try using them in your conversations. It'll help you sound more natural and confident. Which phrase will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time on Linguachat.